Hey, how's it going, guys? I hope you're having an awesome day today. I had a pretty stressful one today. Supposed to close on the house today, and then the lender kind of asked for an extension, so I've been dealing with that. But anyways, let's get to it. I've got some profits to share from the community, and I got some stuff to share with you. It looks like we got rejected at the downtrend level resistance that we were talking about for a while now, and now we're bouncing between support and resistance that hopefully will create a formation that will allow us to continue further to the upside. Anyways, let's look at the community's profits really quick. I'm just going to drag this into the screen. All right, so behind me here, we got Stefanos trading on BitGet with 114% gain with 20x leverage and 116% gain with 20x leverage, trading Ethereum. Awesome job, man. Jeremy, one of our coaches, traded Bitcoin for 429% gain with 50x leverage. Awesome job, man. Awesome. Yeah, great exit, great entry. We got Chris LC, 28% gain, 10x leverage, and 115% gain with 50x leverage. And lastly, 128% gain with 50x leverage. And we got Jeremy, the short that he expected from the Newsweek volatility. Awesome job. He made a signal based off of it. 99% gain, shorting Bitcoin, 50x leverage. We got Faint, 82% gain, 25x leverage, and Jeremy's second take profit for 137% gain. Awesome job, guys. All right, let's dive into the charts. I'll show you what I see on my side, and let's prepare for the next move. All right, cool. All right, let's first go into the DXY. So we got this chart supposed to load up. Oh, I got my Pine script open. There we go. Let's open this up properly, question mark. There we go. All right. So we got, so yesterday we were talking about how this could potentially play out as a double top formation right here. We were at the time below this neckline for this little level of resistance right here. However, we double bottomed at this resistance, and the resistance acted as the neckline, and we ended up coming up, and we invalidated the double top once we got past both this neckline and this point right here. And now we're getting caught back inside this little range that we see right here. So we could see some sideways price action again, and then a new formation to help dictate which direction the DXY is likely going to go. But based off of the DXY news, we may actually see it continue to go up. But or we might trade sideways until the next rate hike. We'll find out. But right now, we have no formation to tell us what's what, but we can track uptrend level of support like this. And the moment that breaks, and we see some full body candles close below it, then we can it'll reveal to us that we'll have momentum dying for the DXY, and it might start going to the downside. All right, cool. So let's go over to Bitcoin's chart really quick. Let's go to the daily chart first, because it was looking really bullish with this like dragonfly candle right here, right? And we just closed outside of this downtrend level of resistance, and now we got rejected off of this downtrend level resistance that we've been tracking right here, this white line, which sucks. We were hoping for us to see like a breakout, then have this act as support, but instead we got the rejection, so we weren't able to make a trade off of it. Going to lower time frames to dissect what's going on. So we got over here, we had some bullish momentum with the pennant formation continuing the pump to the upside, and then we had another pennant-like formation right here being created, but we ended up breaking to the downside as it was riding along this resistance. Came up, got rejected again, failed to get a higher high, and then we created a double top, and we already hit the technical target, and now we're riding this downtrending level of resistance to hopefully flip and turn as support. Is off of a relatively strong level, like range, area of interest right here. So we could create, a double bottom formation around here, and then slip back into this valley and get price action back up inside this range. But we don't have any formation just yet. Let's see if we can dissect a little further, see if there's any other. Yeah, we don't really have anything. We got relatively low volatility again, but we have this little asymmetrical triangle right here that may continue us going further to the downside. These are unbiased formations, but usually when they are created after a drop, they're more likely to continue to drop. But we have really strong support around this level, and as the descending level of support here gets closer and closer to this white line, the stronger the support becomes. But yeah, we have no formation just yet for us to trade off of short term. Unless you are a high leverage trader, then you could technically trade off of this right here and just grab from the base of the formation a conservative technical target for both directions. Let's grab a clone. All right, so this is the technical target for this little micro formation right here. I don't usually like trading micro formations unless I'm trading with a larger amount of leverage, like 10x leverage, but let's see what we can get for a risk to reward ratio. So if it breaks to the downside, you technically would want to try to find the most recent swing high for your stop loss. So this will be like the most recent swing high right here. And if it broke to the upside, you look for the most recent swing low. You could use the average true range once we break to the upside to give you a good location for your stop loss as well. Let's see. And this is the average true range right now. Right now it is like showing a bearish trend, so this wouldn't actually flip bullish unless we had the price action cross it to give you a new location for your stop loss, which would populate roughly around this location anyways. If we get the long position tool, this like either breaks to the upside or the downside, the risk reward ratio will be likely roughly around the same. But if we got the breakout, let's say you entered off of the first 5-minute full body candle to close outside of this formation, you could put your stop loss in place roughly around here and have your take profit around here. So it's about a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and it's right below this strong pocket right here. So undercutting the pocket would be normally what I would suggest, but luckily this is actually below the pocket. And yeah, it's 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You're risking to lose 0.31% to gain 0.67%. You'd multiply that by the amount of leverage you decide to use. And vice versa, based off of this chart, you can use this little dotted line right here to find the location for your stop loss for a short opportunity. However, the short opportunity be less likely to hit because we're in an area of support right here. So you just gotta be, just be mindful of all the support levels along the way down. But this is like a really quick scalp either way, so you'd be in and out really quickly. And it might even play out before I even get a chance for you guys to be able to see this on YouTube, because it takes about 10 minutes for it to fully upload and get the thumbnail ready for you guys. Or maybe we can take the opportunity we're live right now. Let's see. It's got about 2 minutes to populate for me to get a confirmation, but yeah, I'll try to get this information out to you as soon as possible then, guys. So we got this tiny little micro opportunity. We can, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I've got for you right now. But if you have any questions about any other assets, you can reach out to me in the Discord, and I can look at your charts and let you know whether or not it's a good idea to enter it. Like Bitcoin's can be a relatively low influencer of altcoins right now because of its volatility has gotten dying down again. As it kind of reset the influence of this formation, so it could take a little longer for us to actually have the break either to the downside or to the upside. Anyways, guys, yep, that's everything I got for you. You can reach out to me if you need help with anything, and you have yourself an amazing day. If you want to check out our courses, we got links down below. Also, please, if you decide to sign up on an exchange, you can use the link down below for the BitGet. It actually helps out the channel quite a bit. And have yourself an amazing day. Thanks, guys.